Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss 2026 Set 1 Question Paper Code 33-1. Section B, Section A problems already we have discussed in the previous video, and now we will discuss Section B problems. Let's go to Section B. Yeah, Section B 21st question. In Section B, 21st question is find the length of the plank that can be used to measure the lengths 4 meters 20 centimeters and 5 meters 4 centimeters exactly in the least time. So we have to find the length of the plank that can be used to measure the lengths of these 4 meters 20 centimeters and 5 meters for 4 centimeters exactly. That means we have to find a number which will exactly divides these 4 meters 20 centimeters and 5 meters 4 centimeters exactly. We need to find a number which will divide these two given numbers. So what it is nothing but highest common factor of these two numbers, right? So 4 meters 20 centimeters means it is 420 centimeters. 5 meters 44 centimeters means 504 centimeters. So we need to find a number that will exactly divide this 420 and 504. So that is nothing but highest common factor of 420 and 504. Let's find it. So 21st question is, first of all, we have to convert 4 meters 20 centimeters into centimeters. So 4 meters means 400 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. Now it is equals to 420 centimeters. And 5 meters 4 centimeters. So 5 meters 4 centimeters means 5 meters 500 centimeters plus 4 centimeters. It is 504 centimeters. So we need to find the highest common factor of these two numbers. For that we have to do prime factorization of these two numbers. Prime factorization of 420 2 to the 4, 2 1s are 0. Next with 2 table, 2 1s are 205 105. Next 3 table, 3 3s are 9, and now we will have 15. 3 5s are. Next 5 table, 5 7s are. So next 504. 2 table, 2 to the 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 to the 4. Next 2 table again, 2 1s are 2, 2 to the 4, 12, 2 6 are. Next 2 table again, 2 6 are, 2 3s are. 3 table, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. Next 3 7s are. So this 420 can be written as 2 2s, 2 square, 1 3, 3 power 1, 1 5, 5 power 1, 1 7, 7 power 1. Now 504 can be written as how many 2s? 3, right? 2 power 3. Now 2 3s, 3 square and 7 power 1. So what is the HCF of these two numbers? What is the HCF formula? Highest common factor of 420 and 504. What is the formula? Product of lowest powers of all the common prime factors. So product of lowest powers of all the common prime factors. So common and lowest, right? So here 2 is common, but 2 square is lowest, right? So now we can write 2 square here into 3 is common, but 3 power 1 is lowest. And next, what is the common? 7 is common and 7 power 1 is lowest. Okay. So here 2 square is 4, 3 into 7. 4 3 is a 12. 12 into 7. 12 7 is a 84. So 84 centimeters the length of the plank, that will exactly divides both the given measurements. So we can write the conclusion. Therefore 84 centimeters is the length of the plank that will exactly, or that divides 4 meters 20 centimeters and 5 meters 4 centimeters exactly in least time. So the final answer is 84 centimeters. So this is the answer for the 21st question. Now let's go for the next question. Yeah, 22nd A question is this one. In an AP, the first term is 32, the last term is minus 10. If the common difference is minus 2, then find the number of terms and their sum. Yes, so let's write first term is given, last term is given, and the common difference is also given. So let's write what is given here first. 22A question. So what it is given here, the first term is 32 and the last term an or l both are same, so it is minus 10, and the common difference is also given. What is the common difference here? Minus 2. So we need to find number of terms. So this n value and Sn, sum of those values. Yes, So as the last term is given, we have to apply the nth formula, nth term formula. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into common difference an. What is an value here? Minus 10. A value 32 plus n value we don't know, n minus 1 into d. What is the d value? Minus 2. So minus 10 plus 32. Let's multiply this minus 2 with n and minus 1. So minus 2 into n, minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Now we have minus 10, 32 plus 2, 34 minus 2n. Okay, bring minus 2n left side, send minus 10 right side. So if you bring minus 2n left side, it becomes plus 2n is equals to, if you send 34 right side, 34 plus 10. So now 2n is equals to 34 plus 10, 44. Send these two right side. Now n is equals to 44 by 2. Now n is equals to 44 by 2, half of 44, 22. So the number of terms is 22. Now we need to find sum of these, yes, sum of these 22 terms, right? We need to find sum of these 22 terms. Yes, 22 we have to find. So to find S22, first of all we have to apply n minus, what is Sn formula? N by 2 plus a plus l. When you know the last term, this is the formula to find the nth term formula, n by 2 of a plus l. So we are finding sum of 22 terms, right? So S22 is equals to n value 22. So 22 by 2 of a value, first term is 32 and the last term is minus 10, l value is minus 10. So 22 by 2 is 11 into 32 minus 10 is 22. So let's multiply 22 and 11. 22 again 22. 2 4. So sum of these 22 terms is 242. So this is the answer for the 22A question. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. So the next question, 22B question is, find the sum of the first 28 terms of AP whose nth term is given. An is equals to 3n minus 2. Here nth term is given, we need to find S28, sum of first 28 terms. Okay, write what is given here first. So 22B question is, what it is given? An is given, nth term is given, it is given as 3n minus 2. So we need to find S28, sum of 28, first 28 terms. Okay, let's find it. To find S28, we need to know the first term and the common difference, right? So here nth term is given. Nth term gives us whatever the term you want, that will give, you have to substitute that value of n there. Means if you want first term, a1 is nothing but first term. So let's substitute in place of n 1. So 3 into 1 minus 2. So 3 into 1, 3 minus 2. So the first term of the AP is 1. Now to find the common difference, we also need to find the second term. To find the second term, just substitute n value 2. An is equals to 3 into 2 minus 2. 3 into 2, 6 minus 2. So A2 is equals to 6 minus 2, 4. The second term is 4. So first here, now we know the first term and the second term, right? So how you get this common difference? Second term minus first term. So second term is 4 and first term is 1. So 4 minus 1. Now D is equals to 3. So the common difference is 3. Now what we have to find? Sum of first 28 terms, right? Write the Sn formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So here S28, sum of first 28 terms means n value 28. So 28 by 2 of 2a, 2 into first term. What is the first term? 1 plus n minus 1. So 28 minus 1 into common difference is 3. Now here n 28 by 2 is 14. So 14 of 2 into 1 is 2. Next 28 minus 1. So 27 into 3. Now it is equals to 14 of 2 plus 27 into 3. How much will get? 3 sevens are 21. 3 to the 6, 81. So it is equals to 81. Next 14 into 2 plus 81. 2 plus 81, 83. So let's multiply 83 into 14. 4 3s are 12. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. Next 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 8, 8. So what do we get? 2 6, 2 6, and this is 11. Now it is equals to 1162. So 1162 is the answer. Sum of 28 terms of that AP is 1162. Next, let's go to the next question. What is the next question here? The next question is the next page, right? Yes, 23rd A question is diagonal AC and BD of square ABCD intersect at P. Coordinates of point B and D are 9, minus 2 and 1, 6 respectively. So here coordinates of D and B are given and ABCD is a square. Now we need to find the coordinates of coordinates of B and D also B and D are given. Now we need to find what? Diagonal AC, okay. Okay, find the coordinates of, the first question is find the coordinates of point P. So we need to find the coordinates of point P. Okay, so let's redraw this figure. So here A, B, C and D. D coordinates are given 1, 6. B coordinates are given 9, -2. And the point of intersection is this one, P. Right. So we know that every angle at every vertex is 90 degrees. As it is a right angle triangle, angle at every vertex is 90 degrees. Yes. So the first question is find the coordinates of P. So we need to find the coordinates of P. And the second question is find the length of the side of the square. So we need to find the length of the side of the square. So let's answer these questions. Yes. Okay, we know that in square diagonals bisect each other. That means P is the midpoint of BD. So P is midpoint of BD. P is midpoint of BD because in square diagonals bisect each other, and they are also perpendicular bisectors of each other. So now we need to apply the midpoint formula. So what is the midpoint formula? If you take x and y are the coordinates of P, Px comma y is equals to midpoint formula, average of x coordinates, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here, what is x1, what is y1, what is x2, what is y2? Here, let us think this is 9 and -2. So these are x1, y1. Here, 1 and 6, x2, y2. So now in the formula what do we have? X1 plus x2 by 2 means 9 plus 1 by 2. So now 9 plus 1 by 2. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. So what is the y1? Y1 is -2, y2 is 6. So -2 plus 6 by 2. So -2 plus 6 by 2. So here 9 plus 1, 10 by 2 comma -2 plus 6 is 4, 4 by 2, right? So here 10 by 2 is 5, right? 5 comma 4 by 2 is 2, so 5 comma 2. So the coordinates of P are 5 comma 2. So this is the answer for the question. Now we need to find the length of the each side of the square. So length of the each side of the square, here let us take the triangle ABD. Let us take triangle ABD. Let's redraw it. Yes. So ABD triangle, right? B coordinates are 9 comma -2 and D coordinates are 1 comma 6, and we know that angle at A is 90 degrees, and we know that AD, BD, AB are equal. So lengths of all the sides of the triangle are equal, sorry, all the sides of this square are equal, right? So if you think K is the length of AB, then AD length is also will be K. Let's apply the Pythagoras theorem to find this K value. Okay, so we know that Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse, here hypotenuse is BD, so BD square is equals to AB square plus AD square. So what is the length of BD? Length of BD, let's apply the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So this is the length of BD. Now we have BD square, right? So for that, what we have to do? Whole square. So now AB is K, and AD is also K. So K square plus K square. Yes. Now x2 minus x1. Here x2 is 1 and x1 is 9. 1 minus 9. So 1 minus 9 1 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? So here y2 is 6. 6 minus minus 2. 6 minus minus 2. 6 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So 6 plus 2 whole square under root of, now it is whole square. So under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that means under root of 1 minus 9 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 6 plus 2 whole square and whole square equals to, here k square plus k square is 2 times of k square. Now here this square root and this square gets cancelled. Now what do we have? We have 1 minus 9 whole square. 1 minus 9 whole square means minus 8 whole square. Next 6 plus 2 whole square, 8 whole square equals to 2k square. Okay, 8 whole square is 64, and 8 square is also equals to 64, equals to 2k square. 64 128 equals to 2k square. Now bring that to left side. 128 by 2 is equals to k square. Half of 128, 64. 64 is equals to k square. Again, we can write it as k square is equals to 64. Now k is equals to under root of 64. So k value will be equals to plus 8. As k is the length of this side, we can't take minus 8. So length of k is the length of each side of square. So therefore we can say that length of each side of square is equals to 8 units. Length of each side of square is 8 units, because centimeters and meters are not given here, right? So it is just 8 units. So this is the solution for this question. Let's go to the next question. Yes. Yes. Okay. 23rd B question is 23rd B question. So 23rd B question is find the coordinates of a point on the line x plus y is equals to 5, which is equidistant from 6 comma 4 and 5 comma 2. So we need to find a point which is on this line, means that point is the solution of this x plus y is equals to 5, and that point is also equal distance from 6 comma 4 and 5 comma 2. So let that point be x comma y. Okay, so let that point be x comma y, that is equal distance from, let us think this is a, which is 6 comma 4, and let us think this is b and 5 comma 2, and it also lies on x plus y is equals to 5, right? So it also lies on x plus y is equals to 5. Px comma y, a coordinates are 6 comma 4, b coordinates are 5 comma 2, and this p lies on x plus y is equals to 5. Okay, so here this p is equal distance from a and b, right? So that means pa distance is equals to pb distance. So if you apply the pa distance formula, what is that? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, means 6 minus x whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 4 minus y whole square. So this is the distance for pa. Now distance of pb, x2 minus x1 whole square, means 5 minus x whole square, y2 minus y1, so 2 minus y whole square. So for pa distance, x2 minus x1, x2 is 6, x1 is x, 6 minus x whole square, y2 minus y1, y2 is 4, y1 is y, and now 4 minus y whole square. For pb distance, this is x2, 5 minus x whole square. For pb distance, y2 is 2, 2 minus y whole square. So that is the distance formula for these two, pa and pb. Now so left side square root, right side square will get cancelled, because upon squaring on both the sides, these both square roots will get cancelled. Now what do we have? Left side we will have 6 minus x whole square, right side 4 minus y whole square, sorry, 4 minus y whole square. Right side we have 5 minus x whole square, and 2 minus y whole square. Now apply a minus b whole square for all those four. 6 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 6 into x. Now a minus b whole square formula for 4 minus 5 whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 4 into y equals to 5 minus x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into 5 into x. Next 2 minus y whole square. A minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square means y square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b. A into b means 2 into y. So 2 into y. Yeah. So 6 square 36 plus x square minus 2 into 6 into x. So 12x plus here 4 square is 16 and y square as it is. Next minus 2 into 4 into y minus 8y. Right side 5 square is 25 plus x square as it is. Next minus 2 into 5 into x minus 10x. Next two square is 4, y square is y square minus 2 into y minus 4y. So what do we get? Left side x square, right side x square gets cancelled, left side y square, right side y square gets cancelled. Now what do we have? Let's add the numbers on the left side. 36 plus 16, 52. So left side numbers addition is 52. Now minus 12x minus 8y. Next right side, add the numbers. 25 plus 4, 29 minus 10x minus 4y. Yes. Next. Okay, let's send all the left side things to right side. What do we get? So 0 will be on the left side. Right side we have 29. Now if you send 52 right side, minus 52. Right side we have minus 10x. If you send this right side becomes plus 12x. Right side we have minus 4y. And if you send this right side becomes plus 8y. Now it is equals to 29 minus 52 minus 23 minus 10x plus 12x is 2x. Next minus 4y plus 8y plus 4y. So otherwise we can write it as 0 is equals to 2x plus 4y minus 23. Yes. Yeah. So otherwise we can write it as 2x plus 4y minus 23 equals to 0. Send minus 23 right side. 2x plus 4y is equals to 23. So let this equation 2 and equation 1 will be the first one given, x plus y is equals to 5. So let this equation 1. Now let's solve these two x value for let's solve this equation 1 and 2 to get the x value, y value. For that we need to let's solve it by elimination method. For that we need to make the coefficient of x or y left equal. So now I'm going to make coefficient of x equal. For that I have to multiply equation 1 with 2 on both the sides, because in equation 2 coefficient of x is 2, in equation 1 coefficient of x is 1. So to make coefficient of x 2, I am multiplying equation 1 with 2 on both the sides. So if I multiply, what I get, 2 times of x plus y is equals to 5. So what I get, 2 into x 2x, 2 into y 2y equals to 2 into 5 10. So under that write equation 2. So what is equation 2? 2x plus 4y is equals to 23. Now subtract. So minus, minus, minus. Now add. So here plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Now 2y minus 4y is minus 2y, and 10 minus 23 is minus 13. So left side minus, right side minus gets cancelled. Now y is equals to, so 2y is equals to 13 and y is equals to 13 by 2. So to get x value, let's substitute in equation 1. So what do we got here? From equation 1, x plus y is equals to 5, right? Let's substitute y value 13 by 2. X plus 13 by 2 is equals to 5. Okay, send 13 by 2 right side. Now x is equals to 5 minus 13 by 2. So x, just multiply 5 with 2, so 10 minus 13 by 2. So x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So the p coordinates are, minus 3 by 2 comma 13 by 2. So let's check the answer again. Six minus x whole square, 4 minus y whole square, 5 minus 2 whole square, 5 minus x, 2 minus y whole square. Okay, six square x square minus 2ab, 2 4 square y square. Okay, right side 5 square x square minus 2 into 5 into x, 2 square y square, 2ab, 36. Let's check whether this verification. Let's verify whether this point lies on the given equation or not. Verification. So what is the equation? X plus y should equals to 5, right? So let's substitute. Let's take LHS. What is LHS of this equation? X plus y. When you substitute x value, y value, that should be equals to 5. X value minus 3 by 2 and y value 13 by 2. So now we can write it as that. So 3 plus 13 by 2. So 3 plus minus 3 plus 13 is 10 by 2, which is equals to 5, and 5 is equals to RHS. So therefore the point that we have found is satisfying the given equation. That means, so we can say that, therefore we can say that minus 3 by 2 comma 13 by 2 lies on, because it is satisfying the given equation, right, lies on x plus y is equals to 5. So this is the solution. Okay, next let's see the next question. What is the next question? Yes. Yeah, 24 question, 20 question number 24. The diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO is equals to OC is equals to BO is equals to OD. Show that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. So what it is given, diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. Okay, let's draw the quadrilateral. So diagonals are intersecting at point O. A, B, C, D, and this is the intersection point of diagonals. So what it is given here? It is given, what it is given? AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. So what is required to prove? So we have to prove that this ABCD is a trapezium. Right. Okay, so to prove this one, we need to do one construction. What is that construction? Draw XY line parallel to AB passing through O. So we need to draw some XY line pass parallel to AB passing through O. So XY line parallel to AB, right? Yes. So XY line parallel to AB passing through O. So now let's take triangle from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, this one from triangle ABC, OY is parallel to AB, right? OY is parallel to AB. Why OY is parallel to AB? Because as XY is parallel to AB, as this XY is parallel to AB, then part of XY OY is also parallel to AB, right? So when OY is parallel to AB, according to basic proportional theorem, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio, right? So that means this OY divides this AC side and BY side in the same ratio. So for that, what do we get? From basic proportional theorem, we get, so we get, what do we get? AO by OC, this one, AO by OC, because OY is parallel to AB. According to basic proportional theorem, OY by what is that, divides AC side and BY side in the same ratio. So AO by OC is equals to BY by YC. So BY by YC. So, but it is given that, what it is given? AO by OC value is BO by OD. So, but it is given that AO by OC is equals to BO by OD. It is given. So now you can replace, in place of this AO by OC, you can write BO by OD here. So you can write BO by OD is equals to BY by YC, since it is given that AO by OC is equals to BO by OD, right? So let's check this. BO by OD is equals to BY by YC. Okay, what do we got? We got BO by OD is equals to BY by YC. That means this OY line is dividing the BC side in triangle BCD in the same ratio. So therefore, according to converse of basic proportional theorem, when a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, that line is parallel to the third side. So in triangle BCD, so in triangle BCD, what we got? We got BO by OD is equals to BY by YC. We proved it. So this is by basic proportional theorem. Next, so that means this OY line dividing this OY line is dividing BD side and BC side in the same ratio. So by converse of basic proportional theorem, if a line divides two sides in the same ratio, that line is parallel to the third side, means OY is parallel to DC. So you can say that, you can write, so you can say that OY is parallel to DC. So this is by converse of basic proportional theorem, converse of BPT. That means this OY is parallel to AB. Here what we have drawn, this OY is parallel to AB and this OY is also parallel to DC. So therefore you can say that AB is parallel to DC. When in any quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, so we can say that here AB is parallel to DC. If in any quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a trapezium. So therefore we can say that, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Yes. So this is the solution for this question. Now let's go to the next question. Yes. Now 25th question is, a toy is in the form of cone mounted on hemisphere of radius 7 centimeters. So the toy is like a cone is on hemisphere of radius 7 centimeters. Okay. The total height of the toy is 31 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the toy. So total height of the toy is given. Total surface area of the toy will be curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. Okay, let's find it. A toy is cone is on hemisphere, right? Cone is on hemisphere. Nice. Yes. So what is the radius? So what is the radius here? Radius is 7, right? Radius is 7. The total height is 31. So here A, B, C, so D. So here BD is 7 centimeters, then DC is also 7 centimeters. It is also radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cone both are equal. And total height of the cone. What is the total height of the cone? AC. AC is 31 centimeters. If AC is 31, now what is the AD part, height of cone? So height of cone will be equals to, AD will be equals to total AC minus DC. AC minus DC will give us AD. So AC is 31 and DC is 7. Now AD will be equals to how much? 24 centimeters. So now it is AD is 24 centimeters. Now to find the curved surface area of cone, what is the formula? Pi r L. L, the slant height we need to find. So angle at D is 90 degrees. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. We know that AB square, ADB is a right angle triangle, right angle at D. Let's apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. So here AB, L. So L square is equals to slant height. BD is 7 square, and AD is 24. So 24 square. So yeah, 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. So L square is equals to how much? 625. Now L is equals to under root of 625. Now slant height will be equals to, L is equals to under root of 625 is 25 centimeters. So slant height is 25. Now total surface area of the toy will be equals to total surface area of toy. Surface area of toy will be equals to curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. So what is the curved surface area of hemisphere formula? 2 pi r square. Curved surface area of cone is pi r L. So here we can take pi common and 1 r common. If we take pi and 1 r common, now we will have 2 here and 1 more r here. So now inside the bracket we will have 2r, and if you take pi and r common, we will have L. Inside the bracket we will have L. So let's apply these values. Pi value 22/7, r value radius 7, 2r, 2 times of radius is 7, and L value just now we got is 25. Here 7 gets cancelled. Now what do we have? 22 inside the bracket, 2 7s are 14 plus 25. So 14 plus 25 is equals to 22 into 14 plus 25. 25 plus 14, how much? 9, 39. So 39. Let's multiply 29, 22 and 39. 39 into 22. Let's multiply. 2 9s are 18. 1 of 8 down. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 78. You will get the same 78 here. So 8, 15. Now it is 8. So now it is 8, 858 centimeters square is the total surface area of the toy. So you can write, therefore total surface area of the toy will be equals to 858 centimeters square. So by this problem we have completed section B problems, I think. So in the afternoon we will discuss section C problems. Until then, let's take some break sometime. So in the next video we will discuss section C problems. Now what is the time? Approximately we will meet at 1 o'clock, or otherwise I will tell the timing again. So let's see the comments. What are the comments we got? Okay, bye. So in the next video we'll discuss section C problems. After taking 1 hour break we will come back. Bye.